The future of blockchain security, protecting the digital economy. In the digital age, trust is everything. As the world moves toward decentralized systems, blockchain technology has become the backbone of transparency and security. But with innovation comes new challenges, hackers, scams, and vulnerabilities that threaten the very foundation of digital trust. Understanding blockchain security is no longer optional, it's essential for anyone who wants to thrive in the crypto world. The story of blockchain security begins with the idea of decentralization. Instead of one central authority controlling data, blockchain distributes information across thousands of computers worldwide. Each block is linked to the next through cryptographic algorithms, making it nearly impossible to alter past transactions. This structure creates a digital fortress, strong, transparent, and resilient. Yet, even the strongest systems can be tested. Over the years, cybercriminals have found creative ways to exploit weaknesses, not in the blockchain itself, but in the platforms and people who use it. Phishing attacks, fake wallets, and exchange hacks have cost investors billions. The lesson is clear. Technology alone cannot guarantee safety. Knowledge and awareness are the true shields against digital threats. That's where Kovich Trading Academy steps in. At Kovich, 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 education is power. The Academy teaches traders how to analyze markets, identify risks, and protect their assets. Through technical and fundamental analysis, learners gain the skills to make informed decisions and recognize red flags before they become costly mistakes. Meanwhile, innovation continues to evolve. Kovich Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer water-based trading platform, is redefining how secure transactions happen. By combining blockchain transparency with sustainable technology, Kovich Bitcoin ensures that every trade is verified, encrypted, and environmentally conscious. It's not just about trading, it's about building a safer, greener financial ecosystem. But the future of blockchain security doesn't stop there. Artificial intelligence is now playing a vital role in detecting threats before they strike. The Kovich AI Masterclass explores how AI can analyze massive amounts of blockchain data, identify suspicious patterns, and predict potential vulnerabilities. This fusion of AI and blockchain creates a new era of proactive defense, where systems learn, adapt, and protect in real time. As the digital economy expands, the importance of security grows with it. Every transaction, every smart contract, every digital wallet depends on trust. Blockchain provides the foundation, but education and innovation strengthen the walls. Together, they form a fortress that protects not just assets, but the future of decentralized finance. The journey of blockchain security is a story of evolution, of learning from the past to safeguard the future. It's about empowering individuals to take control of their digital lives, armed with knowledge, technology, and the right tools. And at the center of this movement stands Kovich, 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 leading the way through education, innovation, and intelligence. The future of blockchain security is not just about preventing attacks, it's about creating a world where trust is built into every transaction. With Kovich Bitcoin, Kovich Trading Academy, and Kovich AI Masterclass, that future is already taking shape, secure, transparent, and unstoppable.